Moxies, welcome back. How's it going? Fellas, today we're going over something that might seem a little bit simple and it might even sound a little stupid, but at least it's happened to me and I'm pretty sure it's happened to at least one of you guys out there. You guys ever have a really great pair of jeans, they're still in great quality, you just wear them to no end, and sometimes you kind of look a little bit blah in the outfit that you're wearing? It happens. Now, so today we're gonna go over some tips on how to elevate the same look just to give it that je ne sais quoi, that je ne sais moxie. So the first one's pretty simple. You can roll up your jeans. Now I know you guys may think that it's not that cool or it may not look good, but trust me guys, just give it a go. It does elevate that look just a little bit. So the first one you want to do is rolling your pants. And I know that a lot of people have done it before, but I know a lot of guys that say, hey, that's not my style. Just give it a go. So what I usually do is I roll it about 1/4 inch to 1 inch, more or less, something like that. Make sure that you have no-show socks. It looks better that way. And it just looks kind of cool. Gives it a little bit of a difference. And I'm gonna give you a tip right here. Normally, my jeans tend to fit me longer when I buy them. So when I go to a tailor, I actually have to get them hemmed. But sometimes a tailor will just hem it and won't respect the little kind of 1/4 inch that the original 1/4 inch that it came in. So I explicitly tell my tailor, please give me that original 1/4 inch look, because if not, people will tell that it was tailored. And then you're good to go. Now, for this particular look, I would go with the no-show sock, and you can get them pretty much at anywhere. Like I got some at Target the other day. I got like 3 or 4 for like 10 bucks or 15 bucks. It's a steal, super comfortable. And again, guys, just that subtlety. So the next one that you wanna do after you've done that is, I know it sounds a little stupid, but listen to me guys, look, just so all you have to do is get the front part of your t-shirt and you tuck it just in front of the buckle, and make sure you have a decent looking buckle and belt or whatever that matches your shoes, guys. All right, so I'm wearing black shoes, and so that's the reason why I'm wearing a black belt. And all you have to do is just kind of tuck it, let it hang out from the back, but the front should just be tucked. And what I also do is I just kind of tuck it behind the tongue, and then you're good to go. It'll look awesome, trust me. Again, it sounds a little trivial, but if you look at it in the end, it does give it that little hint of subtleness that you're looking at your wardrobe, and instead of just having this, you have this. Number 3 is another one, it's another variation. Now that does depend on the shoe you're wearing, but you can also kind of tighten the jean on the bottom a little bit. And if you guys, anyone that grew up in the 80s and 90s, you'll know what I'm talking about. So another one that you wanna try, and this is kind of like a variant on the roll-up, you want to do a tuck roll-up. And why do I say that? And if anybody who's from the 90s and 80s will know what I'm talking about, the tapered roll-up is actually kind of a cool kind of way to make it look like you have a little bit more of a skinny jean when you have a more relaxed jean on the top. And you kind of just make sure that it looks a little uniform. Let me do that, and then do it on this one. So all you have to do is get the excess, you fold to the front, keep it there like that, and one more fold. And it also helps out those jeans that are a little bit on the more relaxed fit, to give them a more tapered look without you having to actually buy tapered jeans. And there you go. The next one, and that's a little bit more of the outfit, you kind of just want to look for cool looking shoes. You get yourself a good pair of sneakers, and you can also wear them with that cuff that I meant, that kind of tapered cuff, and that'll look pretty awesome as well. And then the last one that's actually kind of fun, if you want to actually go really kind of skater, kind of cool. So I changed shoes just to give you a little bit more kind of California kind of skater look or whatever. But this is another thing you can do, is you can wear some kind of funky looking socks, and you can do kind of a little bit more of an aggressive roll, maybe 2 inches, 2.5 inches. And also make sure that you're wearing the same color belt. you can either cuff and wear some socks, some funky looking socks with some Vans or some just like simple canvas slip-ons or Converse. Well, Moxies, we've come to the end again of another awesome video. Listen guys, I know it may sound a little stupid, but honestly, next time you look at yourself in front of the mirror and you see that same t-shirt and jeans, you're gonna look, what can I do? I mean, I gotta elevate this. I gotta make it look more Moxie. Trust me guys, these tips are gonna make it look just a little bit more awesome.